Are you tired of the onboarding process for new employees feeling like a chaotic mess? Let's streamline it using Clockify. First, log into your Clockify account as an administrator. This will give you the necessary permissions to add and manage users. Navigate to the Team section, usually found on the left-hand side menu, often indicated by a people icon. Now, click the Invite Users button. A window will pop up where you can enter the new worker's email address. You can add multiple emails at once for bulk onboarding. Enter the new worker's email address and full name, then, most importantly, assign them a role. Common roles include user, manager, or admin, each with different permission levels. Choose the one that best fits their responsibilities. Next, head over to the Workspaces section. Here you will need to select your workspace and ensure your new team member can access it. Now, it's time to integrate the new user into specific projects and teams. Open the project they'll be working on, find the team or members section, and add them to the project. Finally, double-check their permissions. You can fine-tune what they can see and do within Clockify from their profile page, ensuring accurate time tracking and data security. This is accessible from the team or workspace section. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly onboard new workers into Clockify, ensuring accurate time tracking and efficient project management from day one. Good luck.